Variables. We use letters X, Y, L, M, etc. to denote variables. A variable can take various values. Its value is not fixed. Constant. A constant has a fixed value. Examples of constants are 4, 100, -17, etc. Expression. Algebraic expression is formed from variables and constants using different operations. Expressions are made up of terms. Terms. A term is the product of factors. Factors may be numerical as well as algebraic, literal. Coefficient. Coefficient is the numerical factor in a term. Sometimes any factor in a term is called the coefficient of the remaining part of the term. E.g., the coefficient in the term 7xy is 7, and the coefficient in the term -5x is -5. Like terms. The terms having the same algebraic factors are called like terms. E.g., 7x, 14x, -13x are like terms. Unlike terms. The terms having different algebraic factors are called unlike terms. E.g., 7x and 7y, not like terms. 7x and 5x squared, not like terms. Monomial. Expression with one term is called a monomial. Binomial. Expression with two unlike terms is called a binomial. Trinomial. Expression with three unlike terms is called a trinomial.